I shake my head in disbelief, hearing people in positions of power spewing things like we should be working 70 or 90 hours a week. But I realize then that most people do not understand the meaning of optimizing output. But first, what is work? The dictionary defines work as an activity where strength is exerted or faculties are exerted to achieve something or to do something. And keeping this definition in mind, exertion of strength or faculties to achieve something, I welcome you to today's episode of How to work 30 hours a week and be successful. Not 70 or 90 hours a week, only 30. Blasphemous, isn't it? But I use science. Many of us would have heard about the concept of law of diminishing returns. What is it? It states that one factor, if constantly applied, keeping all of the other factors constant, will not lead to more productivity, especially since you only increase that one factor. So, let's use that one factor as our mind, our attention, and our focus. And what does the law of diminishing returns indicate? That if you continue to only use that factor, our attention and focus, and keep increasing it without necessarily making any changes to the other factors that lead to success, you possibly will be decreasing your output. Add to that studies which show that the mind can concentrate optimally only in 45-50 minutes in bursts actually, with about 15 minutes of breaks in between. That means basically anything more than 45-50 minutes at a time will lead to decreasing attention, focus, and concentration. Now do the math for yourself and figure. If today you keep working 90 hours a week or 70 hours a week, what is the kind of output that you will produce? But then again, there comes a myth. Many people believe that work means time, or rather that spending time equals output. So many of us spend 12 hours a day in the office. But what is really the productive, optimal output? Very little, because we waste so much time drinking coffee, chit-chatting, scrolling through our phone, shopping on the internet, and what have you. And the real productive hours, unfortunately, amount to very little. And I also believe today that most of us are not donkeys. Labor and unnecessary diligence and persistence can sometimes be unnecessary. What do I mean? I do believe with the resources and technology that is available to us today, whether it's AI, virtual reality, ChatGPT, etc., we need to work smart. That means we need to hone our intellect. We need to understand how to leverage the resources by understanding science, technology, using methodologies to increase our depth of knowledge in whatever the expertise we have, and not continuing to just plod on. It is the smart who usually succeed, not because of their diligence, but because of their ability to be foresightful, to be strategic, and to be tactical. So keep these things in mind. If you understand the law of diminishing returns, you will be able to monitor yourself far better. If you don't equate time equals work, you will be able to work far more productively. And if you understand that you need to be strategic and sensible in the way you approach whatever it is that you are doing, be assured that you'll be far more successful spending 30 hours a week. Yes, not 70, not 90, but simply 30. Because the focus now will be on what you do, not how much time you spend. If you like what you hear, please do hit the like button, please do share my video, and of course continue to write to me at varkha@varkhachulani.com. Till next week, it's goodbye and thank you.